Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and please welcome back to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Just click the red button down below and subscribe to my channel. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much. So I want to show you guys around my hotel room. This is the hotel that I am, and this is how it looks. So this is the outside view, and you can see the ocean right there. There is the ocean. So this is the front view of the hotel. You can see the swimming pools. We also have 3 swimming pools here. It's such a beautiful hotel. You can look at it. You can see the way it's beautiful. It's just so nice. That's my laptop there. This is my shirt, and this is my room. This is the front view. So this is the front of the room, and there is a couch here at the veranda. And that's my laptop there, and I was drinking some juice. And this is the door of the room. So let's go in and I'll show you guys how my room looks like. So this is the living room. Look at it. There's some prints there. The 2 prints, they just look beautiful. And you can see the dining table here with 2 chairs. There's some flowers. And that's the kitchen there. Like, that's my kitchen. There's some plates and cups and a fridge. We also have a toaster. We have a jug heater, and we have gas cooker here. So that's it. You can see how it looks. So when I stand here at the bedroom door, that's how the living room looks like. That's the door, the entrance of the living room from outside, and you can see it. So let's go to the bedroom. Hello guys, this is my bedroom. You can see my bedroom, the way it looks. Just look at the way it is. It's so beautiful. So this is my bedroom. That's the mosquito net, and this one is the bed. Just look at how the bed looks like. I was sitting on the bed, that's why it looks like that. And that's the working table there. There's a TV. And we have a chair, we have a table. Just look at it, guys. And we also have another door at the bedroom. Look at it. Look at it. When you open the curtains of the door, you will see the view outside. So that's the view outside my room. You can even see the swimming pool from here. So let's close it because people are watching me from outside. So this is my bedroom, guys. This is where I'm going to spend the nights of my vacation. I just love this hotel because there's a kitchen. You can cook whatever you want, but they offer breakfast. So if you want to eat lunch or dinner, you have to pay for it. But I have a kitchen, so why should I pay? And so let's go to the bathroom. So this is the bathroom, guys. This is my bathroom. This is the bathroom. We have the shower room there. It has a curtain, and that's the toilet. So guys, this is the window. We also have an animal print zebra there. And this is a mirror. Let me show you guys. Let me switch on the light so that you can see the mirror very well. So guys, this is me. I just did a new hairstyle today in Malindi. You can see the way it looks good. I also did my eyebrows with some henna. I don't know, henna or henna, I don't know. But yeah, I did my eyebrows at the salon this round so that I won't have a lot of work while doing makeup. And I also did my nails. I did my nails with some gel, some pink gel. Just look at them. Though my nails doesn't look good, doesn't look girlish, but I just love them because that's how God created me. And I've just done some makeover. You can see it's a pink gel. So that's me, guys. That's the sink, and we have 2 cups there. We have the soap and the shower gel and the body lotion. We have the shampoo. Ooh, it's just so cute. And we also have here the vanity pack. Let's see what's inside the vanity pack. So this is what's in the vanity pack. We have some earbuds and a nail polisher. The next room is this room. This is a dressing room. Wow, just look at it. Oh, I look good on this dress. Ooh, I look good. So this is the dressing room. I haven't unpacked my things off my bag. And that's me there on the mirror. Hey girl, hey. So this is it. We have an iron box there. We also have my sling bag, my makeup stuffs. And so in the bed, this is the bedroom. I just love the bedroom. It looks awesome. And the zebra prints. We also have the giraffe there. Oh, it looks great. We have a TV. That is it, guys. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Tomorrow I'll show you around the hotel. This hotel is called the Beverly Suites, and it's in Malindi, and it's not too expensive. They only charge 6,000 shillings, 6,000 Kenya shillings. That is $60 per night. So guys, if you wanna book a hotel in Malindi, a hotel which has a kitchen, just come to Beverly Suites Hotel. Sorry guys, I was switching off the lights. If you wanna book a nice hotel room which has a kitchen and has everything that you need, where you can cook your own food, where you can do blah blah blah, just come to Beverly. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and let's meet on my next video when I will be showing you guys around the Beverly Hotel. Thank you, guys. See you on my next video. Love you all, and don't forget to subscribe.